playing around with Distilbert, and its name is very intriguing to me. A smaller, faster, cheaper, and lighter LLM. And this got me thinking, why do people need or build smaller LLMs? And as the people of Hugging Face, who created Distilbert themselves say, they were struggling as the models are getting larger and larger. How do we put these monsters, right? Referring to large LLMs in production. And they want low latency sometimes. So all these things make the case for why somebody would want a smaller LLM. To create small LLMs, people use this technique referred to as transfer learning. And the idea is quite simple. They take a large pre-trained LLM or a pre-trained model, which can do many things, and then they fine-tune it for one task or a specific set of tasks that are of interest. Okay. And therefore, instead of training from scratch, we are quote unquote standing on the shoulders of a giant and then adapting it only for our needs. And you might have already seen this example or this analogy a lot. People often refer to it. So, a large LLM can be thought of as a Swiss Army knife that is capable of doing many, many things. Whereas maybe we only want a particular tool or set of tools to do certain things. And that's, in a nutshell, what transfer learning is. And as I was playing around, I really like this one analogy that another LLM, one of the LLMs gave me. It said that transfer learning um, and knowledge distillation is the idea of taking a whole bookshelf of books and to compress them into one pocket guide. So, why are small LLMs so neat? Well, three reasons, right? One, they can run on our smartphones, okay, which don't quite have the power and capability of a large server. And as all of us start using more and more chatbots, these smaller LLMs will make it more responsive, lower latency. Okay, so that's one good reason. And then in the months and years to come, all of these LLMs will get deployed on edge devices, right? They are much smaller devices that won't have the memory capability of a large computer or a server. And so having a smaller LLM will make things more nimble and more practical. So in some sense, the whole goal here is to take a big model and make it into a smaller practical package. Thank you for joining me. I hope that was somewhat useful.